Hi guys, this is Henry Mbadiwe from Amon Careers. Just downloaded this list now. UK companies that can give you sponsorship visa to come to the UK to work. You know, you have the companies, you have their locations, different parts of the UK. Just going to scroll down to see total number of companies here. Let me see. Look at that. So that's 58,071 companies in the UK offer sponsorship visa. All right, which means opportunity for you to migrate or to get a job, with some of these companies or one or two of these companies. We have candidates who have 2 offers, 3 offers. The companies are there, the visas are there, the jobs are there. You just need to have that hands-on work experience to be able to get these jobs. These guys are not looking at just talking to you, looking at certifications. No, what they care about is what can you do. And if you have that UK work experience, you will definitely get a job, I promise.